Let's check out rental yields, which is pretty straightforward. Your gross rental yield is calculated based on your gross operating income, and your net rental yield is calculated based on your net operating income. So that's pretty much straightforward. Your gross rent multiplier is basically your gross rent, whatever that is coming in. What is the how many multiples of that is equal to the value of the property at that time? So that's what this gross rent multiplier is all about. And looks like I lost my connection on my mouse connection. Okay, it's back. So the only time this is useful is when you're looking at all these. Let's say you're looking at one suburb and you're trying to figure out what the gross rent multiplier is for a particular property in a suburb, but you're also looking at all these other opportunities within the same suburb. So very soon, when you start comparing them, you will be able to figure out that the gross rent multiplier in that area is averaging 17 to 16, 17, 16, so on. And suddenly, if one of the properties pop up as a little bit higher, then you know which one to go for. So you know which one is performing better in this scenario. It's so easy when you're comparing them as with 3-4 different properties together to make a decision, and that is why these extra metrics are there, so that you can compare them and then make a decision. So we'll look at what's price income and operating expense ratio is in the next video.